Alright, let me introduce you to the user interface so that you can start playing with the add-on right away. So first, let me split this area here and bring the Phenix particles editor here, and I am going to use a snippet just to save time. Let me make some room. In the header here we have a drop-down menu. The drop-down menu provide some option here. First we have the statistic. It shows statistic about your scene. Let me play the animation so that you can see that. It say that, for example, we have one particle system in our scene, and we have one emitter and the count of the particles. Next, in the drop-down, we have the help panel, because currently we don't have any tooltips when we hover some input. So I decided to add a help menu to help you understand what the node is doing. And you just have to enable the option, and it will show a panel when you have a node selected. I'm going to disable it for now. Next, we have show stage. I am not going to talk much about that today, but just for you to know, actually the add-on sort the different nodes by priority of execution. If you are looking for a specific behavior, you can change the priority of a node if you need. But by default, everything is set up to work just fine. So most of the time you will not have to deal with that. Next, we have a show object. This one is very interesting when you work with a lot of nodes graph in your stack. Let's say we have many graph here, and each graph use some object. You may need to focus only on one graph at a time, and the idea is to hide every object in your scene that is not used by the current edited node, so that you can focus on the current task. Next, we have the stack. So the stack is very important, and this is a place where you will spend most of your time, and it allow you to decide which graph will be executed. When you add some new graph, they will be added automatically to the stack, but sometimes you need to link them manually. If it's happened for some reason, you can do this from here. Also, if you have a lot of graph and you don't want to go disable them one by one, you can use this shortcut here that allow you to turn off everything in a single button. So you have this option. Next, we have the node snippet. This is a very powerful tool that allow you to save a lot of time. When you start a new project, basically, you have two options. You can create the whole graph by hand, like adding the particle system, then adding the emitter, adding some forces, rag, and link everything together to your graph, like so. It's a bit slow. It's take a lot of click for nothing. So this is why I decided to to make the node snippet here. Let's demonstrate that again. We can have the same setup, but with only one click. You just come here and add and choose one of the setup here, startup mini or startup that have more option, like so, and we are done. All right, I think this concludes the today lesson, and I hope to see you in the next one.